Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday we had seen about the poem. It's a beautiful poem. That is means the silver. So today we are going to learn 3.2. That is means the prose, reading works of art, and it is what was written by Sayyid Haider Raza. Reading works of arts. We have seen many arts, paintings, there are many, the arts, painting, sculptor, carving. So in those days we had seen about these arts, but we don't have the knowledge to recognize it, to read the paintings, the sculptor, the carving, on the pillar, on the stone, So there is now he is Sayyid Haider Raza. He is going to tell us about reading the works of art. Actually, we are apart from this reading works of art. Now let us see what does the author says about reading works of art. Now let us see here Sayyid Haider Raza written the reading works of art. Now see. Sayyid Haider Raza, popularly known as Raza, was a renowned Indian artist. So he was one famous artist, and Sayyid Haider Raza, his full name is there, but he was popularly known as Raza, and he was well-known Indian artist. Simple geometric shapes, sticking, color combinations, captivating compositions. These are some of the characteristics of feature of his paintings. Actually, he was a good artist. And what was the characteristics? What was his the skills of paintings? Simple geometric shapes, geometric figures, sticking color combinations, and captivating compositions. These were the characteristics features of some his paintings. And so are the colors blue and orange. So you will find them in almost all his paintings. Actually, he used to fill the colors with only the blue and orange, and that most we can find in all his paintings. None of his paintings depict lifelike human figures or copies of scenes from his environment. His paintings belongs to the abstract style of paintings. Actually, what was his painting? His paintings was, so the lover of paintings, the lover of nature, can attract towards his paintings. And such paintings were there by Sayyid Haider Raza, who was well known, who was popularly known as a Raza. So such paintings are not inspired by any external factor. They originate when the artist tries to peep into his own inner mind. So actually what he made the paintings, these paintings were not the externally, attractive. But what was the original paintings? Means that is tries to peep into his own inner mind. So what does he want to say from the paintings? Through the paintings to the lover of the paintings, lover of the nature. And so he was used to peep into his inner mind to paint in painting. They are made by arranging circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots in different compositions using effective technique of applying paint, attractive color combinations, achieving balance in some places and creating the imbalance in other places. So he used to do the paintings arranging circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots, means almost geometrical figures. He used to draw these paintings, and also in different compositions using effective techniques of applying paint. So he used to paint different type of techniques, effective technique of applying paint. and so he was unique in painting. Attractive colors combinations, achieving balance in some places and creating imbalance in other places. Raza found his paintings through his study of Indian art and his heritage, cultural context and philosophy. His pictures seem to radiate peace and life at the same time. So Raza found his paintings through his study of Indian art and its heritage, cultural context and philosophy. So Raza's painting over the heritage, cultural context and philosophy. His pictures seem to radiate peace and life at the same time. We realize that the painting is a visible form of very deep thought. So when we see the paintings of Raza, so we can get the idea that his painting is a visible form of very deep thought, because when he used to do the paintings, so he tried to peep into his own inner mind, and that is why all the paintings were, that all paintings were of Raza's seem to radiate peace and light at the same time. We realize that the painting is a visible form of very deep thought. Very few abstract paintings communicate with the viewers as much as Raza's do. Very few abstract paintings communicate with the viewers as much as Raza's do. Because it is not easy to read the painting. So what does the picture say? What does the painting say to us? And that is why it was not a job to read the painting. So what is the style, what is the skill to read the works of art? It means the Raza wants to tell us. So Raza was born in a small village in Madhya Pradesh. He began to paint from the age of 12. Just the age of, when he was the age of 12, so he started to paint. Means Raza, and he was born in Madhya Pradesh. And when did he begin to paint? He began to paint just from the age of 12 only. He studied art at the Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya at Nagpur, and he studied that painting art at the Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya at Nagpur, and then at the JJ School of Art in Mumbai. So it is a famous school at Mumbai. JJ School of Art in Mumbai. Later he went to France to study art, and after a few years he decided to settle in France. And after completion the arts school in Mumbai from JJ School, and then he decided to go to France for further study, and then he decided to settle in France. His wife was French. He won many national and international awards. He was honored with all the 3 Padma awards: Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. So Raza won many national and international awards, and he was honored with the 3 Padma awards: Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. With all the awards and honors, his paintings were exploring a spiritual, metaphysical path. Gradually, the bindu or point came to be the core of his paintings. He described his work in these words: "My work is my own inner experience and involvement with the mysteries of nature and form, which is expressed in color, line, space and light." So what does Raza say about his paintings? The bindu or point came to be the core of his paintings, and he described his work in these words: what he done, the paintings, art of paintings. And so he described his work in these words: "My work is my own inner experience and involvement with the mysteries of nature and form, which is expressed in color, line, space and light. So what does he mean to say through his paintings? And so he expressed in color, space and light. Sometimes an artist's thoughts appear to be too complex or even complicated when they are expressed through the words for him. The effective medium of communications is his work, his paintings. Raza had great creativity. His paintings are very expressive. And this great artist passed away on 23rd July 2016 at the age of 94. Sometimes an artist's thoughts appear to be too complex or even complicated when they are expressed through the words. For him, the effective medium of communication is his work. Actually, the artist, they have the complex or even complicated when they are expressed through the words. But they are better to express through their paintings. That is the effective medium of communication. So, his paintings also had great creativity. He had a great creativity. And he was naturally gifted. And his paintings are very expressive. And this great artist passed away on 23rd July 2016 at the age of 94. Leaving behind a legacy of sensitive paintings achieved through the extraordinary compositions of lines and colors that depict the extraordinary compositions. And that what he left behind him, that is the behind a legacy of sensitive paintings, and that depict extraordinary compositions. So that's it for today, and next we will continue.